Hey, did you ever wonder if fish sleep? Or how do they sleep? And how is it even possible to sleep when you can't lay down on something? Or even if you didn't, keep watching this video and you're not gonna have to wonder anymore. Although it sounds like a small-scale question, solving the mystery of do fish sleep demands a deep and surprising dive into aquatic biology. Yes, at surface level, many fish seem like they're snoozing at times. They become less responsive, with their heart rate slowing and overall movement limited. But this rest isn't the same as human shut-eye. For starters, fish can't actually shut their eyes. They don't have any eyelids. Secondly, there is one big neurological difference between fish and people. Regions of the brain become much less active when humans sleep, particularly in the neocortex, the region that processes most high cognition. However, fish don't have a neocortex, so the two brains are very difficult to compare. It's also very hard to know what is happening in a fish's brain during sleep. You cannot just toss your goldfish into a CT scanner. Most of what scientists know about this topic has been found studying one type of fish, the zebrafish. Their translucent skin means that with a powerful enough microscope, you can actually zoom in on individual brain cells and see how they are responding. So, with a little bit of science background you just heard, let's answer the question. Do fish sleep at night when it's dark? Do they have sleep cycles? Yes, many fish appear to have cycles of sleep and generally keep at night. As a study from Stanford University School of Medicine suggests, similar to humans, fish produce hormones that regulate sleep patterns and calibrate internal body clocks. This means that fish living in dark caves can sleep in a regular daily pattern. Remarkably, many species of fish can easily flip their sleep pattern if the need arrives. For instance, as landmark research in the Canadian Journal of Zoology found, white sucker fish can become nocturnal when separated from their school. Why? Although it's too dangerous to swim by day alone, they're much less likely to be hunted by predators at night. To stop their eggs from suffocating, the male has to constantly fan oxygenated water over them, often for several days or weeks, says Webster. It's very common for new fish fathers to die from exhaustion. Can fish sleep upside down, and where do they nap? The answer here varies between the sprawling species of fish around the globe. With that said, many fish have been known to swim down to the bottom of the aptly named seabed, or the bottom of a fish tank or river to sleep on their side. Species like the loach, however, have been known to sleep upside down too, causing any owner a lot of undeserved panic. To avoid being swept away by the ocean current, a number of coral fish, such as some damselfish, wedge themselves between reef branches. But while snugly tucked away, they can't afford to remain completely still when they sleep. For them to breathe, they have to beat their fins up to twice the normal speed to generate a flow of oxygenated water across their gills. Intriguingly, other fish have been known to build their own beds, but not one you'd want to relax on after a hard day's work. It may sound gross, but species like the parrotfish secrete a mucus bag around themselves before sleeping, says Webster. It not only means prey will find it harder to smell them, but this cocoon protects them from parasites such as lice too. It's extremely clever, but not something I'd recommend humans try at home. So, this is how fish sleep. If you can call it sleeping, of course. Anyway, they do have rest. Thank you so much for watching this video. Give us a like if you enjoyed watching and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next videos.